Hey sweetheart subscribers, welcome back to my channel. GL Manhwa. This is new Manhwa. Love wins. Chapter 1. Proud of my engagement, I was prepared to move to Canada. Jeng Mo pseudonym. I thought I was grateful for the life partner law alone. But thankfully, due to the Living Partner Act, same-sex marriage is legal, so I can remain in Korea. Day of same-sex marriage legalization. ABS News Bulletin. Some says marriage legalization wedding planner specialist. I'm a little worried about those who are gay women, because there are no men. Idiots note, this part was confusing, so it's probably wrong, but like I am dumb, so yeah. What is LGBT? Is it something like Mukti? In addition to the LGBT visualization campaign, the current regime. ABE News Bulletin Special Report. Citizen interview. No matter how good the world is, this is ridiculous. Return Our Sons. A country by Leon Blood, Sweat and Tears of Youth. I think this is about the whole male's mandatory military service in South Korea. The legalization of same-sex marriage in Korea, which was unlikely, finally came into effect. Love wins. At 1 o'clock this afternoon in the square in front of City Hall, a pride parade was held to celebrate the legalization of same-sex marriage. In each city and ward office, people who report same-sex marriage were constantly visited. In the process of establishing a completely revised though 0xx education course, experts talked about how to express the appearance of same-sex couples in textbooks. We all should be portrayed as brave and beautiful human beings who just want to allow. Ready for sex education and adoption conditions process. Some point out that it is inadequate. The world is noisy, but it has nothing to do with me. Meanwhile, the coming out of famous actor Judah Rung made a big impact in the entertainment industry. Even the actresses who are close to Judah Lang are caught in a scandal. Crazy, crazy, crazy. It was Judah Lang. I'm a lesbian. I've been dating women for 3 years. I knew it. I said it was meant to be. The rose had this bubble covered, so I have no idea what it's saying, so sorry if it's wrong. Sure you want to know? Yes, just say it. Physiognomy. Amulet. You have no luck in love, I see nothing. Oh tilde, so I'll just have to wait for the right one. No, not that. No, then what? Forever. Forever. At first I thought that the fortune teller was just bullshitting, but I only see you as a friend. Correct. I hate it. Correct. There's no difference. Roughly rejected. Rather than trying to drive, I push the brakes to the ground. I tried to do something that I couldn't do. Yoonche Bay call. Hello. Da Yoon. It's the lightning angle today. I'm not going. You have to get out. You weren't able to go to Pride today. I don't know. I can't even go to Jeonju today. Please go with me. Then don't go. Are you happy after that? Are you homosexual with such a light heart? In the meantime, if lightning goes out and the atmosphere rises, I had to go to see what I could do. Today is definitely a good day. It's the right weather, and for some reason, I feel excited, and if I don't go today, I'll somehow regret it. Ahaha. What is it? You are scared to date but go and show off your shoulders. Ha ha ha, are you crazy? Shush it. It's been a while since we went out, we should hurry. We're a bit late. Hello, come and sit. You're late, so log in short. Love wins. Pretty. Good thing I came. Game of death. 1. Put your hands down. Who is the who got caught? The hottest one here. Oh my, let's go out. 2. Youth right. Right. It's a true story. Cheers. I can't really drink. It tastes so good. How? I've been waiting to do this. Kill, marry, fuck time. What is kill, marry, fuck? Oh, it's someone you want to kill here, someone you want to marry, and someone you want to sleep with. But if 2 people choose to marry, they have to do a love shot. Oh, why are you talking about something like that? Wow, sounds like fun. It must be fun. Let's do it quickly. Now then, let's begin. Starting here, with me. Oh, I am interested. Haha. Well, let's see. Kill, fuck, marry. Kya, are you drunk? Is that why you're like this? Ha ha ha. Is it my turn now? What do? I like everyone. Oh come on Annie. I would. Kill, marry, fuck, yeah, like that. We both chose marry. It's a love shot, exciting. Oh Winnie, why are you killing me? That's too much. Haha, sorry. Then do you want to kill me too? Sounds good. All these proposals are strong. Hope it goes well. It seems to be good already. Later on, the two of you have to go to take pictures. Love shot 2, love shot 2, love shot 3. Wow, Kia, 3 kids, military exception. I'm not going to go. Best wishes. Da-yoon. A. Drink moderately. What is moderation? Eating and dying. What did I expect? Yeah, I am with Diane right now. She's asleep. I should have known. I shouldn't have came. What? Oh fuck. This is the pillow. Where am I? District office. It's cheap. What is this? What? This is a marriage license, just has her info on it. Marriage registration with my name on it. Ha-yoon Bai, who's that? No, I need to calm down. If I am holding this, that means it hasn't been submitted yet. What is this? Haha, what am I worrying about? Please shred this for me. Is there something wrong with the copy? It's nicely print too. Anyway, congratulations on your wedding. What? You are our 5th same-sex couple. What? I was going to give you a gift set, but since you seem to be in such a hurry. What? Da-yoon at just 23 years old has become a married woman. Shit. Thank you so much for supporting me, and please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.